slow. Yeah. Yeah, I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked, cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride, this one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife, could've left 1,000 times just so by my side.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Krystle, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So today's video, we're going to be looking at this cute synthetic bob. But before we even get started, please make sure that you join the family. Hit that subscribe button. If you love what you see, hit that like button. Talk to me down in the comments and all of the things. I want to give a huge shout out to DIVATRESS because they were nice enough to send me this cute bob to share with you guys. And her name is Nella. She is from the Outre Sleek Lay Part collection. With this collection, you're going to get a parting space that is going to just lay, bladder, and better, y'all. She is 12 inches long. You get the 5-inch deep parting space. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. And she has the HD transparent lace. Not only can you pick this cute color of the DR chocolate swirl, but you got a whole bunch of cute specialty colors to pick from. And the only customization I did to this unit is add some pressed powder to the parting space, y'all. Now, she does have a silky texture, so beware, she may tangle up on you in the future. But right now, as I am reviewing this, I'm not experiencing any tangling. I have minimal shedding. I did add a little bit of heat to the parting space. It didn't need it. You can get away without it because she does lay flat at that parting space. Beautiful color because Outre never misses when it comes to the color jobs, y'all. She is big head friendly, and you can wear her glueless. Yes, you can wear her glueless. Matter of fact, right now in this portion of the video, I don't have any adhesives or sprays or anything holding her down. I just have my comb in the back. I utilize those adjustable straps, and she is a look. I love this because even though I know how to lay some lace, I don't feel like laying lace every day. So it is perfect for avid wig wearers that are not feeling like laying lace. And it's perfect for the beginners if you are wanting to get into wearing wigs, okay? Once again, huge shout out to DIVATRESS for sending this out to me. Huge shout out to you guys for tuning in. Let me know what you were thinking about this unit down in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. Please be sure to share this with your friends and your family. And I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.
And I wouldn't say I'm shocked, cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride.